guess I should introduce myself. My name's Mike. Instagram handles monster_Mike14. The first ride coming back from the summer. Just installed the Senna 10C Pro on the Acon Airflight. So this can be pretty awkward as I'm talking to myself for the first time. Just picked my bike up from the shop. It was my rear brakes failed 300 kilometers after buying the bike. Bought it used, as you can see, or I should be able to see the odometer. Bought it used, put 300 kilometers on the bike, and rear brakes failed. And took it to the shop. It was 30 days or 1,000 kilometers, whichever came first. Well, I did 300 kilometers, but it was a couple months after I bought the bike, just because I bought it. There was still snow on the ground, I couldn't ride. So I ended up not using it till June. So it's a 2014 Ducati Monster 1200. No S or R, just straight 1200, no Owens, no nothing like that. But I have to say it's... so this is my first bike. I had never ridden a motorcycle before until May this year when I did my course. It's like a 1 month thing here in Quebec.
Should have been the first video and intro to myself and the bike. I'd like to thank everybody that have been watching my videos so far and putting up with how bad they are. If you like the video, hit the like button, hit subscribe. There'll be more to come in the future, especially this summer's done, but I'll still have videos coming out. Thanks.